CarStory research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, windshield wiper heater, and has been listed as an IIHS Top Safety Pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2017 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, fog lights, power windows. Come take a test drive today.